Lieutenant General Narayanan, the Commandant of Military College of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering, visited Bharat Forge Limited and state-of-the-art facilities at the Kalyani Center for Technology and Innovation. He reviewed the Orsis F-17 multi-caliber sniper rifle, which has been offered by Kalyani Group under a partnership with the Russian specialist rifle manufacturer Orsis. He also reviewed the DRDO-developed 5.56 by 30 mm JVPC carbine that has already completed user trials with the Indian Army, and its production has recently been handed over to Kalyani Group. He also reviewed the TC-20 155 mm 39 caliber truck-mounted mountain artillery gun that has a range of 30 kilometers and has recently been handed over to the Indian Army for high-altitude trials over the next 12 months in different weather conditions. While the initial plan was to lease 4 advanced Heron TP drones from Israel, but India has changed its plan and has signed a contract with Israel to buy 4 new advanced Heron TP drones that will be delivered by the end of 2021. They will initially be used in surveillance and reconnaissance missions and will be upgraded under the Project Cheetah, with advanced satellite communication and sensors for longer surveillance and reconnaissance missions, and will be armed with air-to-ground missiles and laser-guided munitions for precision strikes. Goa Shipyard has placed an order with Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited for the supply, installation and commissioning of an upgraded super rapid gun mount for Indian Navy frigates. The upgraded SRGM has the capability to fire programmable ammunition and can engage fast maneuvering and non-maneuvering radio-controlled targets. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has indigenized and upgraded the Italian 76 mm naval guns of Otto Melara and has a dedicated manufacturing and inspection facility at its heavy electrical equipment plant for production, installation and commissioning and life cycle support. Godrej Aerospace has handed over the 200th set of the Stealth Universal Supersonic Cruise Missile Airframe assemblies to BrahMos Aerospace that will be used in the BrahMos missile. Each airframe of the BrahMos missile consists of 138 complicated sub-assemblies that are manufactured from more than 1,500 parts. The increasing indigenous components in these supersonic missiles will help in strengthening the country's security through self-reliance. The Defence Ministry has dissolved the Ordnance Factory Board that will come in effect from 1st October, and its 41 factories, assets, employees and management will be transferred to the 7 new public sector units that would improve autonomy, accountability and efficiency in ordnance supplies by corporatization of the OFB. Ahead of a mid-term review by the Finance Ministry, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has directed the 3 armed services to speed up expenditure and spend the allotted amount under the Union budget. The Ministry of Defence will also try to complete the acquisition of any defence platform in 2 years, from the existing time of 3.5 years, if there is no concern related to improvement. The Defence Minister has also urged private sector defence companies to invest in research and development, particularly in technologies relating to cyberspace, and that a public-private partnership can bring a defence production revolution in India. Referring to the recently signed AUKUS alliance between US, UK and Australia, the French ambassador to India Emmanuel Lenain has said that India is at the core of Indo-Pacific strategy, and the military confrontational bloc like AUKUS alliance is not the answer to the problems in the Indo-Pacific region, and a much broader approach like the Quad group is needed.